Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everybody. I'm going to upload now the video that I have here, the night adventure of my nephew and my niece with me going somewhere to catch the frog. Hope you enjoy watching, guys. So I am going to play now. Watch it. Guys, good evening everybody. We have a very nice adventure this evening. No, we are going to catch the frog. So they are mine. We are going now for the great adventure. We are here. The prankers. And the other one. Oh, okay. Say you. Kita on. We are here. Grano na sila yan. We are here now, guys. Itas-taas binot ang imo nga ano. Not itas-taas bing imo nga solar. Walking in the road, going to where we get some vegetables before. We are going there. So we'll go here in the other side of the place. The road is not good. Here we are looking birds. We are looking birds and frogs and any animals that we can eat, no? Aray ko. Wait. Aray. It's so very dark, guys. Aray. This is good adventure. So she's there at the back. Crazy life. We need to be careful our. Oh, be. Oh, we have one.
Kamu dah. Tahu.
Arjun eh. Magawa. So, oh. May ano ka pa diya ba? May messenger ka pa diya ba? So, we found one. So, let's go later there.
Kita? Tulungan ko lang ako minsan.
Tungo lang ako na. It's very dark. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's really dark. Uy, what is that? Uy.
Pwede ba kami siya pa na?
Why naglagyan, no? Ni mo bless pa ding day, anhabla da.
Pwede ba? Sabi.
Are here in the rice field. Oh my gosh. Ay. Ay, kadulong. Omega panulo man ito. There are also people getting the frog. Oh. We are getting here. What? The water. Uy, kami man be. Not. Subi man kami be. Ay.
Bay. May minta. Ay, minta.
This is the rice. Ang dami. Saan ka panulo? Aray ko. They are three there, oh. See, frog is really important here. People want to eat frog here. No, ay manggani sang gainurok. Batik ka mo ha. Okay, this is the rice field, and I need to go hurry because I don't have lights because I do my video. Oh my gosh, I hope this. Oh, to. There's frog. Ay, not. Ay, sabi ko paka to. Oo. Gasunod man sila sa atin, ho? Gasunod man sila sa atin. Wala man paka. Mera, aw. Mera. Ay, ito. There. There, oh. There. Tadan! Be? Basi mabayulin ko ni Balaw.
Pa.
Sulod ako na, oh.
Ang tsura sa pakakaroon daw. Pading na ni Kalchanila.
Uy, sugi makmidi, be. Yan. Ayan, mga style na lang amo na.
Hindi mo lang naklat.
Kaya video. Kung video, hindi na pwede flashlight kung video ka. It's nothing. Wala na sila. Oh, uy, panot. Siya lang niya, ho. Uy! Sugi man kami. Pwede tadi kaagi. Punin pag tayo magi, ha? Yung pag tayo magi, pwede tadi kaagi. May lagyan na ito po.
Tanaw po diyo.
This is new harvest. Oh my God. I need to wear slippers. Okay. So, yeah. This is really nice adventure. Panunot ko may linta na, di ba? We scared about the leech. My gosh. In my side it's... Oh! Lah! Ano to? Hindi, ano na, oh? Ano to? Sugibing karbaw. There is again. Uy, dalom hindi.
Ang ano be, ang ginang.
Mas padeng. Ay!
Silang kuntiil ng pilit. Silang kuntiil.
Ito data.
Ang paka da maglumpat.
Hindi mo nga bunalo na. Manog, snake. Pudi puta. Oh, ala, sili-sili.
Maro si Monoy ba?
Maro ba?
Oh. Kalita na. Ato sa.
Ato.
Tingnan mo may guana.
Ay, wow. Bise.
Ano na siya nang
Ay. Looks like snake. Ay.
Doda.
Ay, pait na sa karon sa ano? Ano na sa manakao na?
oh namit na sa adobohon. Putay ni adobo. Noy milin. Noy ba? Daya noy.
Karo pa din. Malay mo may fish pa dyan. Sak bilog ang undod siyang saka. Sige. Wait na.
Uy, tumanig ka.
Ha? Sili-sili na sa not?
Ay, sige, pa noy.
Oy.
Sige noy. Sige ho.
Gagawin.
Iwan mo yung sulo daw.
Sige ho.
Oy na.
Oh. Sige dami.
Oh my God. Ay, maro ba?
Yep.
May sili-sili naman ta.
Huli ka? Ay, manmit. Sige. Ikaw ba na?
Guys, this is the second time, third times to pass by the river, no? The small river. Ay. Wait lang. Oh my God. Ouch. The stone, ouch. Aray ko. Oh my God. Aray, aray, aray.
Na.
Na?
Ito, sa jacket. Ouch.
Yan ang video.
Be. Jacket na.
Pakad na.
Kad lang. Bo, wala naman nga sanag ang imo nga solar na. Hello guys, then do you enjoy it? You know, my video is really dark because I was forget that my camera have a what's this, a light. So I was surprised after done my video. I just know that I need to do a flash. So very sorry if there is a very dark. Yes, accidentally I fell down to the tall and landing to the stone. Good thing my bone is very strong. So I hope guys you enjoy watching. Thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you for watching. See you next to my video. Bye bye.